Hi guys, good afternoon or good evening. We are here in Year 2 Festival City, the winter night in Alriga, and I see this performer. I don't know what he is doing. He is making some two some shoe and two shoes for one head and two for feet. I don't know. You just wait. You see what will happen. I don't know what he is doing this show. This guy is you see, he have 2 feet, 4 feet, and one head. You see? Yeah, he's dancing here in the floor. See what happening. Oh my God. It's too small guy now. Small guy dancing. But after that, he dancing, he will be changed performing and he is one person only. Very good guys. Very good. That is in year to Argorer. You see, and you will give 10 dirham, 2 dirham, 1 dirham. He will put the one bucket there, and the people putting money. Every night he is there. 2 guys is dancing like they are twin. Very good guy. Very, very good performer. He is alone. Nobody talk to him. They have music, and he is performing like that. So many people making watching to him. So many people giving her money. Good, very, very good. You see, there have he is one guy only, but he make it 2 guy if he is performing. So many people giving money to him. 20, 10, 1
Thank
dirham,
for
2 dirham. How
watching.
much
God
you can
bless
give,
you.
give.
And please follow and
Then he is
follow for
doing this
more. Good
from
luck.
7 o'clock until 10, 11 he is there.